Okay, everybody, so it's going to be 3 parts, not 2 parts, and let me explain why. So this is the new Arrma Extreme Bash roller, that it's also a BLX 8S Kraton. And by the way, I just forgot, this is Eric, RC Monster Garage, Motor Styles Hobby Shop. This place. Anyway, so the new Arrma Kraton 5th scale, it's very big, so it did not even fit in the box, so they have to send everything kind of separate and you have to assemble it yourself. So I have here the pile of those huge wheels. You guys know how big I am, you know how big my hands are. Look how small my hands look near those wheels. Okay, those wheels are absolutely humongous. They're much bigger than the regular 5th scale. And then there was 2 more boxes that have some stuff inside. And of course there is the vehicle that lets uncover it. They give you this California specialty sandwich wrap, reusable sandwich wrap, okay, that you can actually just remove, and then you see this beautiful truck. Now let's do this. Let's start putting the wheels on it, and I will kind of say a little bit what I'm doing while I'm doing that. Let's bring the camera a little bit closer, make sure it's not gonna fall. Obviously it's not gonna fall. So you get 2 boxes. The quiet one have the remote inside. They're giving you with this regular remote. I was a little bit disappointed. I really want to see them given with this a little bit better remotes, you know, charge a little bit more and give us those digital remotes instead of this. Okay, I think it's gonna work a little bit better for everybody. This specific remote, I have a lot of problem with it, and it's not that it's not working. It's take time to bind. Sometimes look, you want to run it and it will not bind right. So for me it's kind of is a hassle. I don't like it. Now the other box, it's where you have all the important stuff. So what you got here with all those weird tools. Whoops, I bumped the camera. Let's fix this. Okay, but you need a big X key, and then they give you all the other ratchets and other thing, but you want this nice red key in order to use it on the aluminum. So there is also a steel key, and I don't like it for the wheels. I rather use the aluminum on aluminum, and of course they give you speed gears and all the other good stuff. Everything of course wrapped in nylon that you have to actually tear. It's a big tool. Look at this thing. It's actually nicely done, CNC, so it's actually pretty cool. Okay, let's open this. Now I'm already see that there is a lot of play here. Okay, some company claim the display here it's to prevent the car actually getting kind of breaking from movement. This is just a slack that I don't like, and I'm gonna show you guys in other videos how to remove this. This is pretty annoying for me to even see that it's still going there. Sometimes wheels have backward, forwards. Those are, it look like kind of dual directions. There's no problem. Find where it is, and you're gonna put it in. Let's get in now. On those big nuts, there is actually those ribs. Those ribs going to the inside. What it does, it actually help to hold the wheel, so the wheel will not actually get loose and fly off. Although they're gonna do it occasionally by themselves. Now, it's funny because a couple of years ago, a company called Red Cat Racing made something that big, and the parts was flying all over the place because they never put any Loctite or anything on it. It was the R5, and it's too bad because it was a pretty decent truck that could have been much better if they will just take the time to do it the right way. The same thing here. You see, like there is a lot of slack. I can move it. Too much movement. Probably when you're gonna be aluminum upgrade, it will be better. All the dog bones and everything, I'm gonna go over on those one in a couple minutes. It's funny, as soon as I put the wheels, I did not even pay attention. The truck is drifting toward me because those wheels are so heavy. Okay, and this is the rear, and the same thing. You're looking for where those grooves. You put it in. Don't use any like drills or anything. A lot of people think that it's a real car that you can put pneumatic fuel and put it. No, it's not a race car. You cannot do that. You're gonna ruin it completely. Now they did couple very cool thing on this truck. that we're gonna talk about in the number 3, part 3 on the review of the vehicle. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It's so heavy, so heavy, even if you are very, very strong. It's very heavy actually. Yeah, so they changed the motors on those, and I'm gonna show the motor in it. Like, they put a bigger motor, but they should put even bigger than that, or as some of my customer will say, biggerer. Okay, so they put a good size motor on it. I guess we need to try it before we can actually say, oh yeah, we should have put like the Castle Creation or anything. And then the steering servo on this one is much bigger than the previous one. And they changed the body. The body have like a nice graphics on it. They changed a little bit, look like the angle here, suddenly this step that I don't remember from the other vehicle. Maybe I'm mistaken, maybe I'm not, but I really don't remember this step from the other vehicles. Now, something that I haven't done here, but I will do later, on those nuts over here. Although it's have the grooves and everything, come on, get out here. Although it's have the grooves on it, I'm gonna do a couple drop of blue Loctite. It's a big truck, it's gonna have a lot of heat in it, and it's gonna move fast, and this will pop off eventually. Let's close this. And last one. There's a big wheelie bar on this thing. And it is closed. Okay, so this thing is SEMA ready, and you know I'm saying it is SEMA ready because we need to go over everything right now, and I keep dropping everything. So this is how the trucks look after I assembled it. It's have a big wheelie bars here, but again I'm gonna show and explain everything right now in part 3. So don't forget to jump to part 3, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And put a comment below, because this is going to be our demo car, and eventually we're going to give it away. None of you guys getting anything because you don't press the like, don't put a comment, and you don't share the videos. And then you cry that you never get anything. Other people that did got free stuff. If you want to be the next guy getting stuff, start doing your job. Share, look, tell people, write something in the comment. Now, part 3, the review, coming in right now.